Hello, dear CiaoBella friends. Are you ready to welcome our most incredible new entry here at CiaoBella? Here we have a do-yourself craft kit by which you can create your own house. Inside the cover, you will find everything you need to create your own project. Are you ready to discover what's inside? Come with us. So let's find what's inside this little treasure. In order to create your own house, you have three pre-cut models, pre-cut sheet cardboard. You see, you can easily take off the model and you can build your own house, the structure of your house. There are three of them. It's very easy to use them. Then you'll have a vellum sheet by which you can use, for example, the sheet for your windows to create little decorations. You know, the characteristic of vellum is transparency, so you can take advantage from it. Then you have 6 different sheets which are double face, with these sheets you can create two different kind of houses. For example, in this case we have this rough wall. With the other side you can decorate, for example, the interior of your house. Here we have windows, backgrounds, as you can see. Different type of shutters in pink and in blue. And another type of wall. In this case, the wall is made of wood. This has this wooden finish. Many decorations. You can use it so many ways, and always double-sided. Each sheet is double-sided, so you can really use it in so many ways. Use your fantasy. And the interior of the cover has some decorations too, so you can cut all the elements and create your decoration. So with just one kit, you can create two different versions of your houses. So let's start from this one. This one has a rough wall, as you can see, blue shutters. With vellum paper, you can create your windows, for example, as in this case. And inside the kit, you can find so many fussy cut elements that you can mix and match according to your fantasy. It's very beautiful. And this is the second version in pink with this wooden wall, pink shutters, pink flower as well. It's a little bit more, I don't know, pinky, I would say, as in this case, in this case as well, of the vellum paper. And in order to create your own house, you will find the QR code on the back of the cover, because there you will find a tutorial in order to make this kind of houses. But you can find as well the tutorial on our YouTube channel. So everything is very well and clear explained. But if you're not a flower person, you can play with other CiaoBella collection. With the pre-cut modular sheets that you can find inside the kit, you can use all the other collection that we have. For example, in this case, we used the Land of Rising Sun to create a very funny box, a very funny candy box. In this case, we use Land of Rising Sun as the collection for decorate our house. You can open the roof and use it, for example, as a box. Vellum paper to decorate the door. And all the fussy cut elements from the Land of Rising Sun collection. Even if you use the house as a box, you can decorate even the inside, as I told you before. We are totally in love with this kit. So share with us your own houses. We cannot wait to see your project on our social media channels. See you soon. Bye.